When it comes to selecting windows for your Columbia home, climate plays a crucial role in determining the best options. Columbia experiences a varied climate, with hot and humid summers and relatively mild winters. These weather conditions significantly impact energy efficiency, durability, and overall home comfort, making it essential to choose windows that cater to these unique environmental demands. The impact of Columbia's climate on windows. Columbia's climate is classified as humid subtropical, characterized by warm temperatures for most of the year, occasional heavy rains, and high humidity levels. This means that homeowners must consider factors such as heat resistance, moisture control, and insulation when selecting windows. Heat and sun exposure. Columbia experiences long, warm summers with average high temperatures exceeding 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Without proper window insulation, heat can easily enter a home, increasing indoor temperatures and driving up energy bills. To combat this, choosing windows with low emissivity, low E, coatings can help reflect heat away from the home, keeping interiors cooler and reducing reliance on air conditioning. Humidity and moisture control. High humidity levels, especially during summer, can lead to condensation on windows, which may cause mold and mildew growth. Windows with high-performance frames, such as vinyl or fiberglass, resist moisture better than traditional wood frames, making them an ideal choice for Columbia's climate. Additionally, double or triple pane windows filled with inert gases like argon or krypton offer better insulation and reduce condensation. Winter efficiency. While Columbia's winters are generally mild, occasional cold spells do occur. Properly insulated windows help retain indoor heat, reducing the need for excessive heating. Energy-efficient glass, such as double pane or triple pane with low E coatings, can minimize heat loss during the colder months and enhance year-round energy savings. Best window types for Columbia homes. To maximize comfort and efficiency, homeowners in Columbia should consider the following window types. Double pane or triple pane windows. Multi-pane windows provide superior insulation compared to single-pane options. The space between panes, often filled with argon or krypton gas, acts as a thermal barrier that minimizes heat transfer and improves energy efficiency. Low E glass windows. Low E glass has a special coating that reflects infrared light, keeping heat inside during winter and outside during summer. This technology helps maintain a comfortable indoor temperature without overworking HVAC systems. Vinyl or fiberglass frames. Unlike traditional wooden frames that can warp and deteriorate in humid conditions, vinyl and fiberglass are moisture resistant, making them durable choices for Columbia's climate. These materials also require less maintenance and provide excellent insulation. Impact-resistant windows. Columbia occasionally experiences severe storms and hurricanes. Impact-resistant windows, made with laminated glass, offer enhanced protection against strong winds and flying debris, providing homeowners with added security and peace of mind. Additional considerations for Columbia homeowners. Beyond selecting the right type of windows, additional features can further enhance efficiency and durability in Columbia's climate. Window tinting or films. Applying window tints or films helps reduce glare and UV rays, protecting furniture and flooring from fading while also improving energy efficiency. Proper sealing and weather stripping. Ensuring windows are properly sealed prevents drafts and reduces moisture infiltration, improving overall indoor comfort. Strategic window placement. Placing windows in shaded areas or installing awnings can help minimize heat gain, reducing cooling costs in the summer. Final thoughts. Choosing the right windows for your Columbia home involves considering the area's humid subtropical climate and its impact on heat, moisture, and energy efficiency. Investing in double or triple pane windows, low-E glass, and moisture-resistant frames can significantly improve comfort and lower utility bills year-round. By making informed window choices, Columbia homeowners can enjoy a more energy-efficient, durable, and comfortable living space, regardless of the season.